Hey, this is wheeled and well armed. I'm in the car, just picked up my SAR K12 Sport and unboxing it for the first time. Just picked it up from my FFL. Comes with a lock, a sticker, a bag, the SAR book, table of contents, color pages. There it is. Take a look at that. Stainless steel slide, full, they call it a stainless steel alloy bottom. Comes with 2 mags. These look like Mekar mags. The SAR on it. They go up to 15, so it's a 15 plus 2. Cleaning kit, not much there. Let's go take a look at the trigger. Alright, I have it open and we're going to look down. It's all clear. Magazine. Drop the mag. Completely clear down there. See all the way through. Alright, so it does have ambidextrous slide control. Pull the trigger. One. Oh, not much uptake at all. Oh, so nice. Here's the reset. Oh, nice audible. And we'll take a look at the sights. Fully adjustable. Both windage and elevation. Front sight. Blacked out rear. Ambi sign. Safety magazine release can be flipped over. On the other side, both safety. See what the safety sounds like. Audible. Good click. The grips are going to be impossible to replace unless there's somebody else. Those are going to be very customized. A lot of nice good checkering on the back and on the front, as well as striations on the front. Looking at the barrel, it's a full metal guide rod that comes all the way through. Looks like it's not a bull barrel. No Picatinny rail on the front. Overall, it's a nice heavy gun. I'd say it's in that 47, 46 range. That's all for the initial unboxing. I'll let you know later on what I think about it.